Finding a low-growing Lomandra that works Australia-wide and in most horticultural situations used to be impossible. Now new research shows we have one. Evergreen baby Lomandra here. No fuss, functional and reliable plants of this calibre are rare. But is this plant green or lime? Astonishingly, this strong chameleon plant has clean green foliage with normal pH and average nutrient levels, or it changes its appearance to amazing lime green in higher pH soils or poor nutrient loads. These had a pH over 8 and average nutrients, whilst these had a pH of 5 with a higher fertiliser rate. Evergreen baby Lomandra is the only low-growing Lomandra that handles periodic wet feet like rain gardens or drainage swales. Survives drought, lives on dry slopes, handles part shade or full sun, and in testing has shown high root rot resistance. Root rot diseases are regularly mutating in Australia, causing problems for most Lomandras in poor drainage soils. But in testing in a large periodic wet feet trial, Evergreen baby Lomandra had 100% survival, whilst all the other 9 popular Lomandras had 100% failure. Only its cousin, the slightly taller Shara, survived at 100%. With Evergreen baby Lomandra, you can have confidence in almost any soil type or climate. It works Australia-wide, from top to bottom, from coast to coast. Evergreen baby Lomandra is simply a safer bet. Shorter plants often require less maintenance, but also provide a lower line of sight for visual safety, which is important for trafficable landscapes. The toughest compact Lomandra now comes in green or lime. Just fertilise and balance the pH for a clean green Evergreen baby Lomandra, or limit fertiliser and just add some lime for an alkaline soil, and presto, a real Everline baby Lomandra.